Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Leaves Are Changing. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Karen Reed. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby they get to submit photos every now and again. I'll select some of them to turn into YouTube tutorials, and I'll send the original painting off to whoever submitted the photo. So if you're interested in either watching the full-length version of this tutorial and/or learning how you too could submit your photos to me, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a very vibrant autumn image, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.